Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Hyundai Getz, stock number 6306. This ran from the 10th 2005 to the 9th 2011. It has a G4ED 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a G4ED 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Front bonnet, 3 dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, 1 dent. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear taillight. Right rear 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Aftermarket Pioneer single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.